each and every individuals, why we are seeking happiness, why we are seeking peace, why we are willing to be joyful in our life, why we want to remove all the confusions from our life. Why? Can you tell me? Because our nature is the blissfulness. Only like why the water flows down? Because this is the nature of the water to goes down. Yes or no? What? Why the wind flow like this? Like flow all the time. Why? This is the nature of the wind. So the nature of ourself also, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Truth, bliss and consciousness is our real nature. That's why we all of us, those who has gone to school, those who has not gone to school, those who have learned something very nice, some people have not learned anything else about the life, still they want to be happy. Yes or no? Even those people who are in a tribal area, they are very much in a very down to earth. They also want to be happy. There is a in the Andaman and Nicobar Island in India, there is a tribals. There is a group of tribals. Then the government keep them safe. Anybody goes in the territory, they killed. Many people, many Christian preachers also they came there to preach Christianity to these people. But they are also killed by these people because they want freedom. There is no school. There is no any proper food there that what we eat. But they are happy in their territory. And when people from outside goes to that island, they feel unsafe, insecure, and that is their freedom. So in our eyes we may think that they are unhappy, they are not grown up, they want to grow, they want to have all the modern facilities, they want to have modern toilets, modern houses, the modern dresses, but they are not there and they feel insecure when we go there. Who are developed? They are developed or we are developed? We have to understand this. We are feeling developed because of our ego. The reality is something different, ego is something different. And we always mix the reality and ego together, then the big problems comes to this life. What is ego and what is the self? What is the reality and what is ego? Reality is what exists and never can be changed. If you can change something, that cannot be real. Like if I put a mask on my face, then it is reality or non-reality? It is not reality. Why? It can be changed. I can take it out. Understand? If I put the black color in my beard, it is a reality or non-reality? It is fake, yes or no? No fake? If I it's fake. So if I put red color, it is also fake, yes or no? So if I keep it like this, it is original. Yes or no? Yes. So whenever you are modifying yourself, whenever you are changing yourself according to your mind, interest, ego, and emotions, that is all fake or real. Because when you put the color here, because of my mind, yes or no? If my mind does not think, I cannot put the black color. That's why Anything, any modification happens, any kind of changes happens through our attentions, and that is actually like the this bamboo was covered, the bamboo covered the bricks and the walls. This is called mask. Ego is a mask. Ego is described in many manners, like Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud, what is the name? Freud, no? Is a, I think, psychologist. He says that my existence is according to my understanding. Yes or no? That's why I am. Yoga and spirituality, this self and ego, they are described in a very different manner. What yoga says that yoga is a control of the modification of your mind. As the thoughts patterns moves on in a different direction, we are living the life into according to our thought pattern. Today you go to the little Buddha cafe and the food was very nice. To another day we go to another cafe, taste is different. Today I dress this one. You have never seen me with this, yes? And I am looking different. Tomorrow I will look differently. But actually, even my feelings are changed, my dresses are changed, but Vishnu inside never changed. You say, oh, this is Vishnu. This unchanging reality, the unchanging reality that cannot be changed, that is the real self. And what can be changed? That is called ego. I will describe you. It is a very important class for all of us to understand these both terms so that we can understand ourselves. The human being is now in a very big crisis of identification. The humanity is in the crisis that who am I? Is self-identity. We do not understand ourselves. Who am I? That is the biggest questions and biggest crisis. If humanity do not understand our real self and put a mask all the time, if we put a mask all the time and say this is me, then it is like a drama. Understand? You understand what I am meaning? My English is okay? Yes. So my dear friends, here I would like to tell you, can everyone see? It's okay. This is the soul here, your real self. And this self is covered with your body, breath, mind, intelligence, and your ananda. So all the different koshas or different shapes are covered that self. When you say I am, when you are sick, you say I am sick. Yes or no? So when you are healthy, you say I am healthy. At that time, where is your attention? Where you think you about yourself? Where are you at that time? At that time, you are in the body. Suppose this is body. So at that time, your ego is in your body. So if I ask this question, am I look beautiful today? Yes. Where is my ego? It's physical ego. Yes or no? Your hairs are very nice. It means your ego is in the hair. Wow. This dress is amazing pink color. Wow, very good looking. And you connect yourself with your dress. You identify yourself with your clothing. It means you missed yourself, the real self, but your real self identify with the, you will say I am every time. But now I am is in your pink dress. When your hair is beautiful, people say, then your identification is goes to the hair. I say, wow, you see, I'm so happy today because I cut my hair so nicely. People liked my hair. Understand? Wow, your behavior is so nice. Kastucha. It's in Nepali, so I am very nice. Just to Paliman what I know. Okay, so wow. Then see the smile of him, yes or no? When I use this language of Nepali language to with him, I do not know Nepalese, but when I hear this Nepali word, heart feels good. Yes or no? Shalom. See? Eh? Bonjour. So dear friends, now identification with the language.